How to create price alert on cTrader. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are gonna learn how to stay on top of market moves without constantly watching the charts by creating a price alert. First things first, launch open the cTrader app on your desktop, mobile or tablet and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, make sure you are inside your watch list or the chart of instrument you want. Select any one instrument and click open its overview page. Now from the overview page of your instrument, go ahead and tap on the little bell icon under price alert, and on the next page, create a price alert for the chosen instrument. Now, right next to notify me when, select ask or bid. Right next to is, go ahead and select whether you would like to be alerted whenever the price crosses or whenever the price lowers, and right next to or equal to, enter the price when you want to be alerted. Okay, I'm just gonna type in this number over here. Once you do that, toggle on the show pop-up option if you want to view pop-ups whenever the price changes or crosses the specific line. And if you want, you can also enter a comment down below and finally click on create price alert. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new alert or price alert on your account. Also make sure that you have turned on your push notifications on the platform. Now, after you enable this price alert, cTrader will notify you whenever your price level is reached to your chosen amount or however you've set it. And that's it. You are all set to stay informed and make smarter trading decisions without watching the markets 24/7. Price alerts are the tools to make a big difference in your trading strategy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.